Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's doing great. If you're new to my channel, my name is Unwana, and every week I try to share some important strategies I'm implementing in my personal life to improve my personal finances and also create wealth. So if you're new, welcome to my channel. And we just recently crossed the 100 subscriber mark, and I really thank all my subscribers who have made this possible. Without you all, I will not be at 100 subscribers and counting. So I really do appreciate everything you guys are doing. So my topic today, like I said, every single week I try to share information on things that I'm implementing. So according to the thumbnail that you just saw, just like everything else, if you're an athlete, you definitely need a coach that gets you to where you want to be. That's why you have professional athletes have coaches. You have business CEOs that also have coaches. If you're trying to improve your health, you get a physical trainer, which is also a coach. Okay, so you do need a coach to get you where you want to be. All right, so most people think they don't need a coach. You definitely need a coach if you want to elevate your game. So in my case, on my financial quest, I've been online for a while, trying to research people and trying to, find out information on how I can improve my, personal finance, create wealth, and be able to live a great life. So I started looking for a mentor or looking for mentors or a coach, and I came across a guy by the name of Richard Fain. And a little disclaimer here, Richard Fain did not pay me for this video. I'm not getting any kickbacks or anything from making this video, but this is just a review of Richard Fain and what I learned from his financial coaching session. Okay, so like I said, I did come across him on YouTube, just like you probably came across me on YouTube, and I have been following him for a while, watched all his videos, and I was very impressed with the way, he presented himself. Very, very humble guy. Has been able to accomplish a lot in his career and also in his business life as well. So I started following him and started learning things. And part of his videos, he goes through certain strategies that he's applied in his life to get to where he is today. So he's independently wealthy and very humble guy. So I decided to, take him on his offer, and I, signed up for his financial coaching, class. And let me tell you, I was really, really impressed with the way he handled the whole situation. So there was no pressure to sell anything to me. When I initially contacted him at that time, I wasn't really ready. And then when I reached out to him again and said, hey, I'd love to have a session with you to go over my finances and my goals and to see where I need some help at. So I set the appointment, and right on time, we had a Skype session. No plug for Skype, but that's what we used. We used this Skype to communicate. And let me tell you, so when I first met with him, we spoke, and he basically listened to everything I had to say. So there was no pressure. There was no, speaking over someone. He was very, very professional. He was very intuitive. He was very attentive to everything I had to say. So this is what I learned from my financial coaching class with Richard Fain. So number one, he told me, in order to create wealth and personal finance, financial freedom, there are two phases, okay, in the process of wealth creation. And this is where people fall off the rail. All right, so what he mentioned was there are two phases. Okay, there's a building phase and there's an enjoying phase. Okay, very basic. So the first phase is your building phase, which is when you're building your wealth. And then the second phase is your spending phase. What most people do is once they start making a little bit of money or whatever, they start enjoying instead of putting that money back into use to work for you to build more wealth. Okay, so that's what he told me. And during the building phase, I'm just looking at my notes here. In my particular instance, okay, we went through my goals in terms of setting income goals and where I wanted to be in the next 3 years, or in the next year, or in the next 5 years. So we looked at my short-term goals, my mid-term goals, and my long-term goals. Okay, what I was trying to accomplish. All right, and also during the building phase, he also discussed what type of income I was looking to achieve, and then he also went through different income sources. Okay, because the goal is for you to have multiple streams of income. Like I have said in my previous videos, everybody needs multiple streams of income. All right, so having multiple streams of income will help you arrive at your goal faster. All right, and then what he also did was, after we went through everything, he was able to put everything together for me, okay, to give me a roadmap on how I can accomplish my goals. And believe me, that was the best session that I ever had with anyone in terms of, you know, having a financial coach that will help you out with your goals. Okay, so his program was excellent. Like I said, he didn't pay me for this. I'm just someone that went through, you know, met him on YouTube, contacted him, and we had our session, and I was very impressed. And we also have a follow-up session, which I plan to do once I have reached my first benchmark. All right, so if you're interested in improving your personal finance, or ideas on how to create wealth without the hype that you see online, okay, then you really need to check out Richard Fain. All right, I was very impressed with him. I'm very impressed with him. I subscribe to his channel as well, and I'm always looking forward to listening to his next video. Like I said, you know, he didn't start his channel to try to, you know, teach people finances. His channel started as a channel for sharing his exotic cars, because he does have some very impressive cars in his garage. All right, and I'm also a car enthusiast, so when I saw that, I was like, hey, who's this guy? And that's how I got to know him. And then I guess based on reviews and feedbacks and comments from his subscribers, who were like, hey, what are you doing for a living to be able to afford these luxury cars? And that's when he decided, you know what, maybe I can help people, maybe I can share information with people to help people achieve their goals. And that's when he started RF Financial, you know, consulting, where he actually helps people set up a roadmap on how to accomplish things. So shout out again to Richard Fain. He didn't pay me for this video. This is just an honest review on my part on what I learned from my financial coaching session with him. So if this helps you, I'm going to put a link down below where you can check out some of his videos and check out his channel as well. And if it's something that, you know, interests you, go ahead, click the link. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I always come here with great contents to help people and also help myself, because these are things that I'm implementing in my life today, okay, to get me to the next level. So life, like I said, is a marathon and not a sprint. So thank you very much once again for being here, and please stay tuned for more interesting videos. And maybe further down the line, hopefully I can have a little meeting with you know, Mr. Fain, and then we will probably share that on YouTube. So thank you very much again, and I hope you all have a wonderful time. And please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the notification bell so you get notified when I have new videos. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and I'll see you on the next video. So don't forget to check my other videos here for more interesting information. Okay, take care everyone. Until next time, take care.